Hey budget travelers, ever dreamed of exploring Japan without breaking the bank? Well, you're in luck. Today, we're going to show you how to enjoy a 24-hour vacation trip to Japan for just $125 per day from your hotel room. Breakfast to dinner and entertainment included. Let's break it down. Accommodation. Budget for your hotel, $50 per day. Breakfast. On-the-go breakfast, pastry and coffee for $5. Morning activity, free gym in your hotel. Free sightseeing at temples and gardens, $0. The inner city are walkable, you might not need to pay for transport. Lunch, casual meal or street food, $10. Afternoon activity, window shopping or exploring neighborhoods or being at the beach is free. Dinner, casual dinner at a local eatery, $15. Evening entertainment, nightlife like karaoke or bar hopping, $30. And there you have it. With smart choices and a budget of $125, you can experience the best of Japan in just 24 hours. So pack your bags and get ready for an unforgettable adventure. Thanks for watching and happy travels. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.